Requesting all teams to please come up so we can start. Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Can I hear a good morning? Alright, are you excited? Okay. Alright, so welcome everyone to the 5th Abbas Cup. I think it's about time to welcome the teams and all their amazing players. So as I call out the teams, I encourage everyone to give their loudest cheer. Okay? Can we try it? Hep hep? Kulang ang energy. Hep hep? One more time. Hep hep. Hooray! Again? Hooray? Alright, so allow me with great pride and honor to call the teams that will be playing today and perhaps tomorrow. Parents are also invited to cheer for their teams. The Abbas Orchard Ridgeback CDO team. Let's give it a cheer. The Abbas Orchard Ridgeback Cebu. Okay. The Abbas Orchard alumni. Woo! Adogs FC. You can cheer for the other teams as well for the love of soccer. Alubihid Wolves. Let's give it up for Bulwa Strikers. Kanituan FC. CKC Kings. Corpus Christi Knights FC. Woo! Okay, that's the spirit. Come on, guys. Dab Dab FC. Dear M FC. Del Monte School FC. Diamond FC. Ganja Boys. Hingoog United FC. Golden City FC. Golden Harvest. Higala FC. Hillsiders Academy. ICFC Ladies. Invictus FC. Lumbia Raptors. And kids. Magis FC. Magis FC B. Team B, Team A and B together. Manolo Fortich FC. Manolo United FC. Oh, MJC Shepherds. Monte Carlo FC. Naawan United FC. Nitivo FC. Oles FCB. PCFC. Pinotos FC. Plantation FC. RPCES. Rose. Oh, there you are. Roseville FC. Shoebox FC. Uncle Ply. Uptown CDO FC. Woo! Give it up for all the teams. Let's give a round of applause for everyone. Okay. Now children, are you all ready to play? I don't hear everyone. Are you ready to play? Okay. But before that, no, everyone here enjoys to see everybody, all of you, who share the same passion and love for soccer. We are very much aware that all of you sacrificed and trained hard, all for the love of this game. We all look forward to the exciting matches that are about to take place. And with that, as in every sport, we have to abide by some rules.
This is the oath of sportsmanship. Repeat after me. As a player in the 5th Abbas Cup, I do solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere, and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which have been set forth by the organizers of this cup. As a player of football, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game in the spirit of belongingness, peace and community, enjoyment with my fellow players. I now therefore declare to preserve the principles of true sportsman in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God. Thank you.
Final kick. Let's give them a big hand. All right. Thank you, Miss Noeli, Teacher Ann, and Mr. Chris. Children. Okay, children. Do not forget. Play to win, but enjoy the fun. God bless everyone, and let's enjoy the games. Let the games begin.
Nina. Christina, kaway sa video. Ano sa video? Ako naman si Josiah. Oh. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Ito picture naman. Sige na, post na. One. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Go, join. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Michael. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Michael. Yeah, you want to show the back of his neck. Okay.
Lala, ha? Ball, ha?
Go, go! Woo! Nice!
We have to.
Go, go, go!
Gitawag na. Ay, gitawag na mo daw. Olis FC.
Referee assigned sa pitch number 4
Go, go,
sa
go!
Ilibin. I-start
Go,
na
go!
na. Balag wala mga kanina ang Brote, may start ang game. Tanawa lang yun ang bola na sa in between post sigid siya nasulod. Referee assigned sa pitch number 4 sa Ilibin. I-start na ang
Go,
game.
go, 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 Bella, go!
Kanang galabi ang uptime CDO.
Go, go, go!
Gamay-gamay, no?
Go, go! Woo! Rumat! Rumat!
sila, no?
Next game sa pitch number 1. U7. Group
Siyempre, klaro manggagay ito.
PCFC versus Invictus. Next game on pitch 1, U7. PCFC versus Invictus.
Sabi yata ka. Go, go! Ah, okay. Go! Go! Go, Marco! Woo! Ay, gawas. Bailo, bailo! Di naman na dyan. Go, go! Go, go, Lala! Lala, go! Go! Go, Christina, go!
Christina!
Go! Go, go! Marco, go, Marco! Marco! Hey! Christina, go! Christina, go! Lala, go! Look at the ball! Look at the ball! Go, go! Go, Mateo! Go, Mateo!
Gigil ko itong gaway.
Go, go! 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 Go, go! Look at the ball! Look at the ball! Go, Christina, balik! Go!
No?
Kapuya eh! Go, go! Get the ball! Go!
Go, Christina!
Go, go! Hey!
Next game on pitch number 2, U15 Boys Group C. Kanituan versus Ridgeback CDO. Kanituan versus Ridgeback CDO.
Go, Christina! Go, Christina! Yan! Woo! Go, go! Christina, go! Masakit daw. Yay!
No, inside score. Inside score nila.
1-0.
Sila 1.
Next game on pitch number 2, U11. Invictus FC versus Ridgeback CDO. Invictus FC versus Ridgeback CDO.
Ama ng goalie.
Atong bag ha.
Nak! What happened? Yay!
Okay, one win, one win.
One win!
Let's go, let's go.
Happy. 13 under.
Taraw nga,
Manolo
Christina.
Philippines versus Pinutos. Pitch 3, Rosevale versus Youngster. 15 under. Please go to pitch 3. Rosevale versus Youngster United.
Meet the ball. Nice. Good, good.
Pitch 5, please prepare. There's a change. Pitch 5, please prepare.
Position.
Higala versus Raptors. 13 under. Group B. Please prepare at pitch 5. Higala versus Raptors. 13 under.
Hands on the back. Hands on the back.
Diretso, gol! Diretso, gol! Husga! Husga na! Sige na! Husga! Wow!
Oh, wait.
Please prepare in pitch 4. Magis A versus Manolo FC. 11 under.
Go, go! Defense! Defense! Look at the ball! Go! Go, game! Go, Christina! Go! Bakal. Napalidong sa bakal. Kick the ball, Christina! Kick! Hi! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Go, Marco! Go! Go, go! Sige naman na siya. Ha? Di mataya, sige na siya. Practice ba? Practice. Alam ba na? Pero pag wala mo siya sa mood lagi. Oo. Ano naging masakitan siya? O, nasakitan. Kasi na, look at the ball! Go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Okay, baby.
Focus, focus.
Christina, look at the ball! Ganon! Katugo! Go, Christina! Follow, follow! Go, 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 go! Si Carlo. Go, go, Mateo! Go, Christina!
Pitch 5, please prepare. Higala versus Raptors. 13 under. Pitch 4, please prepare. Magis A versus Manolo FC, 11 under. Please prepare.
Go!
Christina, look at the ball! Alert! Alert! Bang! Go, go! Go, Marco! Dali! Penalty, penalty. Oh. Right, kisa man. Up, up, down. Forward. Stay lang mo diya.
Please prepare. Pitch 3. 15 under.
Drop sila. Lakas
Pinatos
na
versus
ball.
Adog.
Alek.
Please prepare. Pitch 3. 15 under. Pinotos versus Adog.
Go, go, go! Go! Get the ball! Get the ball! Sige, gagawas.
Pitch 4. Your
Ganyan
next.
talaga ang game.
11 under. Magis A versus
Dali!
Manolo FC.
Sino yan?
Please go to pitch 4.
Dito na daw mo!
11 under. Magis A versus Manolo
Where's the
FC.
ball?
Go, go!
Ay,
Isa na. Hindi gagawa.
Pitch 1, please prepare. Uptown CDO versus Usna Galibi. 7 under.
Kayang galing yung magdulak.
Pitch 1, please prepare. Uptown CDO versus Usna Gali. 7 under.
Wala pa isab mo siguro.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Go, Pam! Look at the ball! Justina! Pam! Justina, now! Go the ball! Get the ball! Go! Go! Go!
Sipak pa sa kita dulu. Wala lang secret. Dili kung silang pa order to na kusukay sa makakusukay sila ni Mateo. Defender mo sila? Number is teamwork. Dili na po ba isip mo gani teamwork? Anak ba sila dulak silang doon? Basta bitaw si Christina si Shika kay maka-defend na sila. Ay, maka-hold sila.
Go, go, go!
Pitch 4.
Go, go, go!
Magis A versus Manolo for pitch. 11
Justina, look
under.
at the ball!
Please go to pitch 4 now. Okay.
Justina, go! Justina! Shield! Go, go!
Ingana ka dyan ang dura, oy! Ingana ka dyan ang dura.
Adeng! Sila. Bailo na mo, girl! Diri ka!
Ah, Pende!
Please prepare in pitch 4. Please prepare. Pitch 4. Group D, 11 under. Usna Gali versus Corpus.
Uy, sulot naman mo sa kuan. Nasulot na mo sa linya.
Unicorn!
Gawas, be. Alit, be. Di mo nakagaw, be? Kasing, be. Compress! Move here! Okay, stop! Look at the ball! Just stay there! Look at the ball! Go! Woo!
Pitch 2, please prepare. Pitch 2, please prepare. Naawan, United versus Ridgebacks CDO. Please prepare in pitch 2. Naawan, United versus Ridgebacks 7
Orong na dito, Pam!
What?
prepare. Pitch 3, 15 under, Pinotos versus adults.
Api! Christina! Go, Christina! Get the ball! Go! Teamwork! Nashki, ah. Look at the ball, ha?
Alright, pitch 3
Go, go!
is done. Championship for 15-11.
Stay there!
15-11, I'm sorry. Championship for under 15 boys. Pitch 3, Roseville versus Golden Harvest. Please go to pitch 3 now. Championship game. 15 under boys, pitch 3.
Last na, Christina! Go!
Roseville versus Golden Harvest.
Christina, go, go! Look at the ball. Go, Chika, Chika, pagtanaw. Ayun, talikod.
Okay, pitch 3, championship game. Championship match. 15 under boys. Roseville versus Golden Harvest.
At, init.
Okay, come on players.
Last na, last. Focus, focus. Go, go, go. No, just stay. No, no. Urong dito, nak. Nak, urong dun. Go, go, go. 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 Tapan. Go, go, Shika. Christina, go. Go.
Pitch 2. Please go to pitch 2, 9 under.
Balik, Christina.
Manu versus Rich Box.
Down, Christina. Go.
Please
Go.
go to pitch 2, 9 under. Group A, Manu versus Rich Box B. Pitch 3, where championship match between Roseville versus Golden Harvest.
Nak, tignan mo yung ball. Harangan mo.
15 under.
Harang. Wag ka umiwas. Wala. Wa man.
Paging the driver of vehicle. Paging the driver of vehicle ABC 2791.
Matyo.
Please proceed to the gate.
Kick the ball.
ABC 2791.
Christina, kick the ball. Play, kick the ball. Kick the ball. Go. Punta doon. Gipa. Don't let the ball in the court. Kabibo. Sakit na kayo niyang ulo.
Ana lagi, ana lang, ana ayun sunod sa goal.
Asam ko.
Ganyan mo lang.
Go, Christina!
Go engine. Go engine.
Pitch 2, 9 under Manu versus Ridgeback B. Pitch 2, 9 under Group A, Manu versus Ridgeback B. Please go there now. Pitch 2.
Go, Christina! Christina! Ay. Christina, stay! Go, Christina! Christina! Go!
Children, please don't
Shield!
play with the nylon. Please don't play there. Thank you.
Go, go, go. Go, Christina, go! Go! Go, Mateo! Up! Ay, out. Go, go! Go, Christina! Sakit na daw yung ulo. Sabsa? Go, go! Ano? Nga na.
Justin! Ipao na nga ron.
Pitch 4, 11 under Uptown CDO versus Magis B. Please go to pitch 4,
I-kick mo daw! Kick!
CDO versus Magis B.
Kick mo sa layo! Di mo ka makaduol sa ilang. Go, girl! Go! Sige! Time na.
Ano ko mo?
Z